So guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Owasp Zap on your Kali Linux, and I'm gonna give you the basic overview of Owasp Zap. Let's begin. So first of all, you have to search for download Owasp Zap. After that, you can see download Zap here. You can see a lot of options here. So we are going to install Linux. So I'm going to install it in Linux. So you can see the Linux installer here. Click the download. Yeah, let it download. After download, go to downloads, and as you can see, this is the file that you have downloaded. When you give ls-l, you can see it does not have execute permission. This is .sh, which needs execute permission. So we are going to assign execute permission to the file. Okay, after giving execute permission, enter the command / and the file name to execute it. So you can see you must be login as root. So you can enter sudo / and the file name. Yeah. So I already installed it. If you don't install it, then you can click what it show. Okay. So now I'm gonna click update. So I'm gonna click next, next, install. So if you don't install this previously, then you can install according to the instructions that is shown on a computer. Okay, so I previously installed it, now I just updated it. Okay, then click finish. After that, you can click here and enter the SAP. You can see the SAP is there, then you can open it. Okay, so this is Owasp Zap. So this is an open source vulnerability scanner tool and super cool tool. You can see, you can click the start button. Let's expand it. Okay, so this is the interface of Owasp Zap. So where you can see the mode like standard mode, safe mode, protected mode, attack mode here. So the basic usage of Owasp Zap is you can have the option like automated scan, manual scan. So I'm clicking automated scan and I have to enter a URL to attack. For that, I am using vulnweb, so which is a website where you can test. As you can see, there's a test page in the vulnweb.com. So this is a testing website by Akunetics. So I'm copying this URL and I'm gonna paste it in the Owasp Zap. Okay. Yeah. After that, I can see the attack option here and clicking the attack. As you can see, the attack is progressing and it's so fast and it's now finished. As you can see, this is the basic attack that you can perform in this Owasp Zap. You can see the attack spider. You can see the code here, which is 403, which is the error code, and 200 means OK code. As you can see, this is the URL login.php, and there is also stale.css available. When you click here, and you can clear login.php and enter stale.css. As you can see, it's available. So let's move on to Owasp Zap. There is favicon.io IZO, which is 200 OK, which is available. You can see this is not available. That is my, it is showing 403, which is not available. If it is shown 200, then it is available. So you can see information about the hidden directories also in the Owasp Zap. As you can see the highest alert like medium, low are available here. As you can see, you can go to the history. As you can see, this is the history, and when you go to search, you can search, and this is the alert. You can click any of them, and as you can see the risk here and the confidence. You can see the alerts. It's medium, it's low, and it's informational. Based on the color, you can see this is orange color, which is medium alert. So this is yellow color, which is low alert, and the blue color, which is informational. Okay, and you can see the output. there is nothing. So when the spider option here, so this is the spider option. You can see all our get methods, and there are post methods too. As you can see, post method, these are the get methods. You can see that. So this is the basic usage of Owasp Zap. So thanks for watching.